Welcome to Dr. Fred Markets. This is not financial advice. While most people scroll past the noise, a few take the time to understand what's really going on. Finance, crypto, artificial intelligence, this is where it all connects. You made the right choice being here. Let's dive in.
Is the era of unprecedented innovation teetering on the brink, or is it about to explode into new realms of possibility? Every 8 hours, the global stock market experiences $5 trillion of traded value. But today, the roller coaster is intensified by a pivotal change in leadership at tech giant Apple. With the newly appointed CEO John Ternus at the helm, can Apple reignite the Steve Jobs era of decisive innovation? Meanwhile, cryptos like Bitcoin are surging, with prices skyrocketing to over $79,000. What's fueling this surge? Is it a signal of a new financial order led by digital assets? And what could the merging of cryptocurrencies and AI mean for our economic future? Let's dive deep into the stock market dynamics today that have all eyes glued to their screens. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ are climbing steadily, boosted by the shakeup in Apple's leadership. This begs the question, can a change in a single company's CEO cause such ripples across the entire market spectrum? With Apple's stock jumping up by 2.58%, it seems the market has faith in John Ternus's ability to steer the company into a new era. But will he truly embody the decisiveness of the Jobs era, or is this just the market's speculative optimism? Senators are grilling Kevin Warsh, the nominee for Fed chair by former President Trump, hoping to gain clarity on his monetary policy direction. What could his confirmation mean for inflationary pressures and interest rates in a world so heavily tied to both traditional and digital currencies? A change in interest rates could sway the delicate balance of power between fiat and cryptocurrencies. And with Bitcoin perched near historic highs, the stakes are higher than ever. Could Warsh's policies undermine Bitcoin's bull run, or will they add more fuel to the already blazing fire? On the shores of uncertainty, geopolitical tensions with Iran are adding further pressure. Heightened uncertainties could see assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to gain ground as hedges against global instability. After all, with Ethereum climbing 3.39% to $2,406.86, it shows the crypto market's potential as a safe haven. But how much faith should we place in digital currencies when global politics are this unpredictable? In the realm of real estate, the story diverges as D.R. Horton reports lower profits, a stark reminder that not all sectors are derived from the same economic thread. How do real estate trends interact with technological advances when it comes to AI and crypto? Understanding these links can give us a unique edge. Picture AI-driven analytics that could revolutionize housing market predictions precisely in times of economic unpredictability. Meanwhile, former President Trump suggests that maybe government intervention is the solution for Spirit Airlines' tumultuous times. The question arises, is government aid the best move for struggling companies, or should they adapt using technology? Could AI provide cutting-edge efficiency solutions to aviation's operational woes, similar to those already transforming industries like finance and retail? Imagine AI algorithms optimizing every minute detail of flight operations and customer service, potentially saving millions. Now, as we reach the pivotal point of our discussion, consider this. Experts predict that within 5 years, AI integration with blockchain could redefine finance as we know it. But how close are we really to this convergence becoming mainstream? The conversation around AI in finance often revolves around automation and predictive analytics. But let's break it down. AI thrives on data, learning from it to identify trends, anomalies, and correlations that we humans might miss. In the cryptocurrency realm, AI can analyze market sentiment by interpreting vast swaths of unstructured data from social media, news, and other platforms to predict price movements with unprecedented accuracy. Could we soon live in a world where AI suggests our every investment move, seamlessly integrating with our cryptocurrency portfolios? Buckle up, because the union of crypto and AI is not just a futuristic fantasy.
Let's pause for a second. Ask yourself this. Do you really understand what's happening in the markets right now? Do you know how this affects your money, your savings, your future? Most people don't, and that's exactly why you're here. Let's keep going.
The groundwork is already laid, with startups innovating at the intersection of AI and blockchain technology, creating self-improving smart contracts and decentralized AI marketplaces. This marriage could lead to a democratization of financial services, providing unprecedented access and insight worldwide, but will we be ready to harness it ethically and responsibly? As we edge closer to the conclusion, let's recap the essential points to ponder today. First, the impact of Apple's leadership change on the stock market cannot be underestimated. It reminds us of the profound influence a single visionary leader can have on global economic dynamics. Second, the ongoing Warsh hearing raises crucial questions about our future economic stability amid a rapidly evolving financial landscape propelled by digital assets. Finally, the integration of crypto with AI foreshadows a new financial frontier, promising efficiency, accessibility, and innovation, but demanding caution and oversight. Stay tuned as these evolving stories unfold and continue to shape our world. Don't let these profound shifts catch you off guard. Take charge of your financial future with diligence and foresight. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is your first step. Join our community by smashing that subscribe button for more insightful analysis. Like, share, and comment below your thoughts on today's developments. What's your take on the potential synergy between crypto and AI? Let's delve deeper into how the integration of cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence can revolutionize the financial sector. The convergence of these technologies is not just a futuristic concept, it's already happening. Companies and developers are actively exploring how AI can optimize blockchain processes to enhance security, efficiency, and transaction speeds. Imagine an AI that can automatically adjust the blockchain parameters in real time to identify and counteract potential threats or inefficiencies. This not only protects assets, but also builds trust in digital currencies. Moreover, AI's capability to analyze massive datasets can streamline and personalize financial services. Picture a world where investment portfolios are tailored to individual preferences using AI-driven insights, leading to better asset performance and reduced risk. These technologies aren't just tools, they are transformative forces, reshaping how we perceive and engage with money. However, as pioneering as this integration is, it undeniably brings challenges that demand our attention and vigilance. The regulatory frameworks currently governing cryptocurrencies were not designed with AI in mind, creating gaps that need to be addressed urgently. This calls for innovative regulatory strategies that balance fostering innovation with safeguarding users and markets from potential abuses. Privacy concerns are also at the forefront, since AI systems require vast amounts of data to function effectively. As we enhance our financial technologies with AI, ensuring data security and transparent usage policies will be paramount. It is crucial for stakeholders, including governments, developers, and the general public, to engage in dialogue to establish regulations that protect individual rights without stifling innovation. In closing, the synergy between crypto and AI stands at the cusp of turning finance as we know it on its head. But like all innovations, this potential must be harnessed with responsibility and foresight. Keep exploring, stay informed, and stay ahead. We'll continue to break down the complexities of this digital frontier, one episode at a time. Don't miss out, subscribe, and let's journey through this financial revolution together. What's your biggest question about this emerging financial landscape? Drop it in the comments, and let's dive into the discussion. This is not financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and check the links in the first comment below.
That's it for today on Dr. Fred Markets. I hope this gave you clarity and a new perspective. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you found this useful, subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel grow. Find me on the blog at drfredmarkets.com and join the newsletter via the link in bio. I'm Dr. Fred Markets. See you in the next one.